So these are the Oraimo Freepods 3. I was looking for the Freepods 4, but they haven't arrived in Zimbabwe. Now, I was very surprised by these earbuds, and yeah, I'm shocked. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Master, the Zim Tech guy. In this video, we're going to be looking at the Freepods 3. But before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you do eventually end up liking the video, please hit that thumbs up button. Now, there's some of my subscribers who are saying that I don't cover local content that much. And that is why I went and bought the Oraimo Freepods 3, not 4. I was looking for the 4. And they haven't arrived in the country, but I know other regions in Africa and probably in Asia already have the Freepods 4. So when they come out, I'm going to be comparing these ones to the Freepods 4. Freepods 4, not Freepods 4, right? To the Freepods 4. Anyway, forget about it. Now, these Freepods 3 really surprised me. I wasn't expecting much from Oraimo. I know there are local brands like Oraimo, itel. You know, these brands that you can easily access if you're in Africa or some parts of Asia. For starters, the sound quality, it's amazing, particularly the bass. The bass is bassing and the sound is sounding. I mean, these earbuds actually sound very, very, very good. I was actually surprised. They're actually comparable to some of those earbuds that you can get at maybe a higher price. Now, these ones, I bought them for around I bought them for $42 somewhere. I'm not going to mention the shop, but I noticed that online they're probably retailing around $35. Not sure what the Freepods 4 will be going for, but yeah, for that amount, the sound quality is actually excellent. Obviously, the sound is probably why you'll be getting this. Now, these ones come with a mode called awareness mode and bass mode. Unlike AirPods where you use software, I think they were trying to mimic the transparency mode that are on the AirPods. But the way they do it is actually, what can I say, old school. If you want to engage the bass mode, then you can put these rubber tips on the ears, then you get bass mode. If you don't want bass mode, you simply remove them and get what they call awareness mode. So that's like an old school way of doing it. It's not software, but yeah, anyway, it works. The bass is actually very, very good. Even like I said, the sound clarity is actually perfect. Now, what I think is not perfect is the build quality. I don't know, it's just made out of this shiny plastic, which I can't say it's bad, but it's not good. The case itself, you can tell, though the aesthetics, they say, it's good, but when you start handling it or you just get the feel of that plastic, you know that it's not like some of the best materials you can get. But obviously this is $40 we're talking about. You can expect to get much from it. So I was using the earbuds for the most times, and when I use like the Buds 3 Lite from Redmi, I usually get irritated in my ears. But with the Oraimo Freepods 3, they're actually very comfortable, and I had no fatigue in my ears or anything. So yeah, in terms of discomfort in the ear, these are actually quite good. I think they just modeled these, if you look close, they just look like AirPods from Apple. So that's where they got the inspiration from, but they're very comfortable in the ear. The other good part that I like about it is the battery life. If you're going to enjoy these AirPods, let me just guarantee you, on the box it promises up to 8 hours, and it doesn't disappoint. I took my earbuds out in the morning, and I spent most of the day when I was editing or doing a lot of stuff, and the earbuds were in my ear and the battery just kept on going. I think I started around 8, and by 12 I had like 60% battery, 60% battery left on the earbuds. Now the case itself is 500 milliamp hour charge, and each earbud has 45 milliamp hour, so you can be guaranteed that in terms of battery life you won't be disappointed. Now, one thing I didn't like about the Oraimo Freepods 3 is the latency, especially when you're gaming. The action that is taking place on the phone, and by the time it reaches your ears, I don't know, there's some kind of a delay there. Although it was minimal when I was editing on my computer, I think the latency was a bit lower on my computer when I was editing. I was using the Freepods 3 for editing. So now with the latency on this on these earbuds, I cannot recommend you to be using them, particularly if you want something that has a lower latency. These ones won't do that for you. Now the FreePods 3 also come with environmental noise cancellation technology. Basically, it has additional microphones on the earbuds which pretty much filter out the noise that will be happening in the environment. And I think they actually do a pretty good job. When I was listening to music or anything, even if you're jogging, whatever it is that you're doing, you can be guaranteed to get an excellent experience. All right, so this is the sample sound test from the Oraimo Freepods 3. From the people I was talking with on the phone, they said it sounds clear, but the voice is a bit bassy. So yeah, this is the sound quality, guys, that you can expect when using the FreePods 3. Tell me what you think in the comment section down below. Do you like it? Do you hate it? So in a nutshell, these for me are definitely recommend, particularly looking at the price. I mean, anything under $40 and you get active noise cancellation. That is a rarity. I was actually surprised by this brand. I think I'll be looking more into Oraimo products. So if you also have local brands that you want me to cover, please leave a comment down below. Let me know which product that you want. Now with these FreePods 3, I want to compare them to the FreePods 4. When I do that, I'm going to do a giveaway to those residents staying in Zimbabwe. I'll be giving away this particular FreePods 3 set. So if that's something that you want, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure that you leave a comment and you invite your friends to like and follow this channel as well. If you have any questions regarding this review or any other review, please leave it down below. Otherwise, yeah, FreePods 3, definitely recommend. See you in the next video.